guys, after 4 hours of travel from Cagayan de Oro, it's supposed to be 3 hours but it took us 4 hours to get here sa Aglayan. This is where we'll meet with the others para papuntang Lantapan, tapos papunta na sa bahay ni Datu for rituals and orientation. Now for this time, we are climbing the second highest mountain of the Philippines. It's Mount Dulan-Dula, and this time I'm with Daniel. With Daniel Koy-Koy. Hi Daniel. And that's Clint, ang aming kasama. Ayan. Alright, so we're just waiting for our kasamas and later on, ayun, we'll conquer the second highest mountain of the Philippines. That for rituals. We're at the house of Dato. From Aglayan to Dato's house, it took, I think, an hour. Songko yung pangalan ng place dito kay Dato. Yan yung place. That's where we held our ritual. So yung ritual, I think it was like 2 hours, 1.5 hours. Medyo matagal yung ritual, pero it's okay. And as now, we are going to the jump off na. Open trail here before we reach the rainforest. 2 hours. So we're climbing Dulang-Dulang, and that's Mount Calatuan over there. So open trail. There's mabato na part. Yeah, mabato na part. So careful with the mabato na part. You might slip. And it's so malayo pa sa peak. Get careful with your feet. Pwede lagi ma-feel ang ano? Mukhang mo kayo na-feel.
Huwag mo ko lang nakapaak.
Oh my God! Di na pwede kuwaon na lang?
Siya pwede birahon kay
Oh
basta.
my God! Ay, okay. Okay, relax.
Nisulod na siya.
another pit stop with Daniel na camera shy.
Kauban ako dito, gila na ba? Ginawa ka pala ako. Kauban.
Pit stop naman tayo. Kaganina, we passed by Rocky Road, tapos naging clay, tapos pagpasok sa forest, hindi mo naman maputi. Unlike Bansalan Trail, na very maputik, but dito hindi. Hey guys, so we've been walking for like 4.5 hours already, and finally we're here. We're here, dito muna. So 3 kilometers na lang pa summit. Pero for today, we'll only stop dito sa base camp. Tomorrow na yung pa-summit. Pero we have 2.5 kilometer na lang para pa-base. Ayan, so konting push pa lang to. Tapos we'll get to Alani River, we'll get our lunch there, magpahinga. Ayan, then pa-diretso sa base camp. Yeah. And there's Kuya. Look at his dinadala, diba? Bonggang-bongga. Right, we're at the Alani River down there. Yung nakita nyo kanina. Tapos dito kami magre-rest para mag-take na lunch. It's only 9:30, pero syempre magkukook pa. So, yep. Dito muna kami before we continue on papunta sa base camp. Yay! Look at the view. Ano?
Oh no, not permanente, okay.
That's our guide teaching our lunch and our hotel.
Ang sili sa bukid, anak ng dulang.
Ano to? Ayan, sumakaon din siya. Sili-sili sa bukid, makaon siya, it's mahal lang. Hey, we're inside the Mossy Forest. You'll notice, Mossy Forest na yan. We are finally at the base camp, and it's super nice. The mossy trees, grabe. It's super nice. Look at that guy setting up his gadgets. It's super nice. At saka in fairness, spacious yung kanyang base camp. So, yeah, nice. Spacious. Good.
Alina, nanay kape.
Baso na lang. Door-to-door service. Ayan, so we are resting. It's already 3 o'clock. And look at the place. Super nice in Mossy Forest. Alright, for your source of water dito sa base camp, kailangan nyo pa mag-trek for like maybe 5 minutes ba yun? I don't know. Maybe. Pero short distance lang. Paano to get that fresh water over there. And so that's nature spring. Tsaka naiinom talaga siya. O, diba? Hey guys, super nice yung mossy trees. And then that's, para mapil ka sa akong vlog, that's Tawing! Oh, yan. Super nice trees. Right, so it's 4:30 p.m. We're inside the tent. And it's actually raining now. Yes, it's raining. And may tapal kami. Tapos we have a good lecture. Yes, and Daphne is sleeping already. We are waiting for our supper. Mga donya. Waiting for our supper together. It's going to be a very, very, very cold night here sa base camp ng Dulang-Dulang. Well, it's 5:25 and finally we've reached the Dulang-Dulang Peak. Yay! Oy, say hi guys!
Pwede mo mag-live din ni.
Hi! Nay, ko na signal?
Oo na.
Wow!
Pwede na ito na.
Whew. Yes, we are at the Dulang-Dulang Peak and there's a tower over there. That's the Kitanglad Peak. Next year, dyan naman.
Kira mo. Kira mo din.
Yeah. So yes guys, we left the camp mga 4:40, then we arrived at the peak around 5:45, and then we took a picture. So now we are going sa avatar na tinatawag nila. I think it's super mossy. Pero we're inside the mossy forest na talaga. Yan. I wasn't able to take a video kaganina because super assault yung trail. Kapoy na kayo. So, karoon pa yun. Inside the mossy forest. We are unpacking, getting ready to go. Unpacking. We haven't had a breakfast yet. Alright, pauli na mi. So, pababa na gyud. And super ligas ang dalan because last night it rained so hard. Bita ako sa gangulan pag kagabi eh. So, munang basa gyud sa dalan. Okay pa ta diyan? Ayan. So, laban pa rin kami dito sa aming trail. It's already, what time is it? Sandali. It's 11. Yung goal is makarating sa baba by 12 noon for lunch. It's much easier naman talaga pag pababa na. Di ba, Dan?
Yes.
What you say?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's 11:30, is it? And it's foggy. Look at your surroundings. Oh, foggy. Kuya, kaway-kaway. Kina ko. Si Kuya, kadigam mo kon. Grabe, foggy guys. Oh, woohoo! Thank you kayo Dan for taking the initiative. Guys, dito na po tayo sa open trail. So, we left yung base camp kaganina, 9 a.m. Tapos it's almost 12 noon. It's actually 12 noon. 3 hours na pababa. Kaya tapos dito na tayo sa open field. And as you can see, it's 12 noon. Pero look at the fogs. Grabe. Galing. Nice. Nice, nice. The fog. Atsal picking with permission from the owner. Diyan kawat ha. Mukhang nakuha nga gulay.
Kuan lang, sobra sila ng kilo.
Libre ba yan?
Yep.
Did you ask permission?
Umakyat ka muna ng doon lang bago ka.
One of the challenging part ng trail talaga is yung mga bato-bato. Look at that. As in, kapoy kayo baktason. There's more out there. Grabe, pero laban lang. Yay! We're almost there sa balay. May head glide. Konting push na lang. And it's me and Daniel again. Aking partner. Biyanam sa mga kauban. Uban nabilin na ba? Wala may nakita. Finally, we're here. We're back. Sa jump off area. Woohoo! Yep, so we're in Talakag now, and that's it, our climb. We reached the head guide's house 1:30 p.m. It's already 4. From Losongko lang Tapan, we took the Dulog. Then traveled to Talakag Bukidnon. Then going to Cagayan para mas less traffic.